Hello everyone, grab your pen and paper and let's talk about type 2 hypersensitivity. Just like we mentioned, this video we're going to be talking about some of the causes of type 2 hypersensitivities, and we're going to be talking about the resultant of this type of hypersensitivity in a different video. So essentially, this type of hypersensitivity is tissue specific and is based on the antibody antigen complexes. We're going to be understanding what that means very soon. So there are two main causes. They might be intrinsic or extrinsic. Intrinsic, as its name implied, is due to an internal factor that is present already within our body. An example would be the collagen that is present within the basal membranes of the glomeruli or the alveoli, and obviously they're going to be resulting in a failure of the kidneys and the lungs respectively. So it is detrimental. We're going to be talking about how that happens in a later video. Now, the extrinsic cause, on the other hand, is, in my opinion, the more interesting one to actually study about. Essentially, let's take an example to illustrate what we're trying to explain. Now, the example here is the beta hemolytic streptococcus, which is a bacteria that invades our respiratory systems. Essentially, this bacteria is going to be infecting the throat, and as a result, the cells are going to be releasing antibodies against those antigens. Well, naturally. What is going to be happening here is, though, these antibodies, they're going to be migrating through the blood vessels and into the tissues of the heart, mistakenly, because they are going to be, well, obviously they're going to be inducing immune responses against the cells there. Now, this is called molecular mimicry. Recall that the molecular mimicry is actually when two different proteins that are, well, completely separate in function, but sometimes they have small regions of amino acids that are rather similar, they're mistaken for each other. Now, when these antibodies migrate to the cells of the heart, they actually cause the formation of the myocardial Ashkoff bodies, and they are going to be arising due to the attacks, and they represent the inflammatory sites of the connective tissues in the heart. We're not going to get into any more details. However, if you're still interested, feel free to go to the website linked down below, and you're going to be seeing more details. Thank you for watching. This has been Ali from B Biology.